Hog Technologies. Our passion for innovation fuels us. We're committed to giving you the competitive edge. Today's feature product is the Hog Tusk. This stripe hog attachment uses a combination of water jet nozzles and PCD grinding teeth to grind down the top of the marking and allow the water jetting to get down into the aggregate. The Hog Tusk allows you to water blast only, grind or groove only, or water blast and grind together with a single head. Double the speed, half the water, and leaving an incredibly smooth profile. For more information on the Hog Tusk, go to thehog.com.